This is a cryotank. It's a container that is used in every PA Green Wellness location to maintain and store an inventory of frozen human cell and tissue products, known as HCTP. This cryotank keeps the product fresh and viable at negative 200 degrees Fahrenheit. These vials are part of the pipeline. PA Green Wellness obtains all HCTP product from Predictive Biotech, an FDA-approved lab. The product is removed, thawed to body temperature, and mixed into a matrix for injection.
We inject it as soon as it's the right temperature. It's viable, it's signaling, it's active, and your body knows what to do with stem cells. This can cover arthritis pain, it can cover injury, sports injury, degenerative disc disease, shoulder pain, knee pain, back pain, autoimmune disorders. It's a dementia protection, lupus. I mean, anything that falls under the category of age-related or degenerative has the potential to respond. People are surprised at the array of conditions. They might come in for treatment of a shoulder pain and their irritable bowel goes away. They might come in for treatment of hip pain or knee pain and their toenail fungus goes away, or they notice that they don't need high blood pressure medication anymore. And I think as the public is educated and as we really wrap our minds around what is happening with this, I think we're going to see a big movement of greater understanding and more availability for the average person.